Hello, and welcome back. Today, we will enjoy a slow English story for beginners. The title is The Small Paper Star. Listen carefully and relax. Now, listen to the story. It was Monday morning, and the classroom was still quiet. Ella came in early and put her school bag on the chair. She had a spelling test in the first class. She studied the words at home, but she still felt nervous. Ella opened her book and tried to read again. Her fingers moved her pencil again and again. Then she noticed something small on top of the book. It was a paper star made from yellow paper. Ella picked it up and looked at it closely. The folds were simple but very neat. At that moment, her friend Nina walked to the desk and said, "Good morning." Ella smiled a little and answered, "Good morning." She held up the star and asked, "Is this yours?" Nina nodded and said, "Yes." "I made it for you. You can keep it." Ella looked surprised. She said, "For me?" Nina smiled and said, "Yes." "You looked worried on the bus today. I wanted to give you something small before the test." Ella touched the paper star and said, "Thank you. It is so small, but it already makes me smile." Nina pulled out her chair and sat down beside her. Then she said, "You will do fine today." Ella took a slow breath. She said, "I hope so." Nina answered, "You studied hard. Just go one word at a time." Soon the teacher came into the room and the test began. Ella put the paper star next to her pencil box. When she felt nervous, she looked at the star for a second. It helped her slow down and think clearly. By the end of the class, Ella did not feel scared anymore. At the break, she turned to Nina and said, "I feel better now." Nina smiled and said, "I knew you would." "Have a good day, Ella." Ella placed the star inside her book before the next class. It was only a small paper star, but it made the morning feel warm. Sometimes a tiny gift can say, "You are not alone." Now, let's repeat some useful sentences. Good morning. Is this yours? I made it for you. You can keep it. Thank you. You will do fine today. I feel better now. Have a good day. Now, let's review the key sentences. Good morning. Is this yours? I made it for you. You can keep it. Thank you. You will do fine today. I feel better now. Have a good day. That's the end of today's story. A small paper star can bring calm to a busy day. See you in the next story.